listen not.
Get together to represent a united Igbo nation. We're strong like the roots of a tree in this vibration. A clarion call for every Igbo man now. Hear the call, come take your stand now. Join in this rhythm, let our unity flow. Igbo people, let the world know. From Igbo land we move with a spirit so bright. In every moment we shine like the stars at night. Together we must stand and never divided. With love and respect our culture ignited. Unity in heart, unity in soul. With the beat of the drum let the good times roll. Igbo, pride strong like the iron we carry. We connect like roots of the tree in the quarry. A clarion call for every Igbo man now. Yeah, hear the call, come take your stand now. Join in this rhythm, let our unity flow. Igbo people, let the world know. Lock hands with your fellow Igbo man. Lock hands and we can create new plans. Lock hands, we rise up, leave no one behind. Lock hands, Igbo people, we warriors standing combined. Step by step we march through the fire. Together we build, take our dreams higher. From the village to the city, we spread the message in unity. We rise, we're ready for any challenge. A clarion call for every Igbo man now. Yeah, hear the call, come take your stand now. Join in this rhythm, let our unity flow. Igbo people, let the world know. So hear the sound, hear the echo of the call. Together we're strong, together we stand tall. From the roots of our ancestors we draw the strength. In unity forever